In this video, I'll show you how to link Chime in Venmo. So first you need to do is open up your Venmo app and then click on this Me option at the bottom. Then it's going to open the page. From here you can see your Venmo balance and all the bank and cards you have linked. So from here you have to click on this plus icon. Simply click on that. And it's going to pop up three options. So from here you have to select this bank, first option, bank. Then it's going to this window. From here you can simply click on next to use plaid, or you can simply click on this verify bank manually instead to enter your bank details manually. I'm going to use plaid, so click on this next button and from here click continue button at the bottom, and it's going to list bank app that this plaid supports. So from here you have to select Chime, and once you select it you have to enter your bank details, and once you enter your bank details your Chime bank account will be linked to your Venmo. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.